In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a song on Soundcloud. So the first step is to simply go to soundcloud.com and create your free account. Now once you do that, you're gonna have to basically click on upload at the top, and then here simply click on choose files. From here, you're gonna have to choose your song. Now I'm gonna use a video of mine as an example, and here what we're gonna have to do is simply add our artwork. So you can do that by clicking and selecting your basically song cover. Then you can simply enter the track title, track link, so how people will find it. So you can basically add here the name of the song. Here you can add the main artist, or if you want you can add more artists. Choose the genre. You can add tags, so basically you can add moods, tempo, etc. And here you can also add a description. After that, you can make it public, private, or schedule the song, but for this, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Now, after that, you can also scroll down and play around with the settings. So you have advanced details, permissions, audio clip, licensing, etc. So after you add all the needed information, you're gonna have to simply click on upload at the bottom, and basically that's all you have to do in order to upload a song on SoundCloud. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.